All right, let's look at a question that is common on the Shark. You see it on YouTube quite a bit. It's talking about when you grab a hold of the frame, get my fingers out of the way, and you put some force on it, you can actually see it move. Okay, see that bit down there? I go into the bit, and I'm putting my hand way out here on the end of the dust collector, and I'm putting force, and you can see it move. Okay, it's to start with, you're not going to get that kind of force right here on the bit. You look at where the bit is, and you put a lot of force on it, you can move it. But the bit is razor sharp, and it's cutting wood. If you're looking at cutting aluminum or steel, you're going to need a more rigid frame. But when you're cutting wood, the reality is it doesn't take much to cut this. You can actually mar it with your fingernail. You see it? I'm scraping across there. You can actually see some marks that were left from our fingernail. So you got a razor sharp bit that's spinning at 24,000 RPMs that's coming through here. One of the things you'll find that you need to do based on rigidity of the machine you have, because this is the very first Shark model that was made. I still use it. I've got it 8 or 10 years ago, and it still works fine. I have HD3 and an HD4 and an HD2. But this was before the HD designation. And I modified it so I could put this on it. I've got larger motors. I changed that. I went to the larger motors, and I went to a new drive under here. That box, the control box. The first control box was a little more primitive than that one is. So I upgraded that. This one also has the mounting on the back for the pump. So I got a pump so I could take this unit to show people how it works. So I can pick this whole thing up, it's self-contained, and away I go. So okay, this was cut with a CNC Shark, and it was the first generation CNC Shark. I'll show you that next. But this is the kind of detail and production you can do with a CNC Shark. It took a while to do it, but it was kind of fun. It was a model that I got off Vectrix, and I got it free when I upgraded to Vectrix 10. It's one of the models you could choose. So I carved it out, and thinking about it was a church called Cowboy Church. See if they'd like to have it. What we're going to do is take a look at a sliding barn door. You should be able to see that. The barn door, we made it this year, me and my brother-in-law. These are all the individual panels that were machined on that first generation CNC Shark. And you can see the quality. It's pretty good. In fact, I was happy with it. You have a little vibration, but the vibration isn't enough to worry about. I mean, it's not on the wood if you look at it. If you grab the gantry in the middle of the machine, and you'll see that it does move, but that just damages your finished product. This is the rough cut, this is the finish cut, and if you look at the finish cut, you can see that it's using, again, a 1mm bit. Take a look at this. This is the descending dove. All those went together onto this barn door project. It had a Christian theme, and that's what he wanted, so that's what we did. Turned out, I think, quite well. The next one is my garage gantry. There's not all these are there. Some people come by and I give them to friends. This is in cherry. I actually cut through the bark and machined what you saw there. This is the selection of them on the wall, hanging below where my car parks. And you can see there's 3 examples there, close-ups of them. Praying hands, Garden of Gethsemane. And if you notice on this one, you can see that engraved the letters, a Bible verse above the praying hands. I do a lot of Christian themes because I am a Christian, and I enjoy doing that type of work. This one is a continuation, just another close-up. I've done the Mary in walnut and in pine, and they both turned out quite well. This is the one Mary when it was a finish cut, but the finish cut, there was no rough cut in the head. These are my pegs and joker design. This is one that I do, and I do it for an RV park. If you look, notice there's a truck and then followed by a trailer. I sell quite a few of these in the RV park. I do them at home. The advantage of the CNC Shark, as you can see, I do a laser.
and I can engrave the back of mine with my copyright logo. So that's it. You have a good day. Thanks for watching.